Hey guys, welcome to Jaren's channel. I'm in my dad's truck. We're gonna be eating chips and playing with Jock. Stop smacking, Jaden. Okay, guys.
I got you covered. Come on.
Hi, guys.
Ah. Cheers.
Yay.
Original wavy is the best.
Yes, wavy is the best, guys.
Onion dip
The best.
with chips. If I'd have to pick over sour cream and French onion dip, I would have French onion dip because sour cream is bleh. Don't that like button. See you guys. Just kidding.
Yeah.
You know what? That should be like that.
Hey, guys. I'm right here. Jaden is going to poop. I'm kidding. I don't know what he's doing, but I'm eating chips. Nip. Cheers. Silver. I want silver.
Hey guys. Look.
Glow in the dark.
This is a glow in the dark one. You have to put it in the light and then it'll be in the dark. Yeah.
Didn't put it in that light out to the sun. Put it out in the sun. Flip it over. No. See, it kind of glows. Here, leave it out in the sun for a while. Like,
Yeah, we'll leave it out in the sun.
yeah, and later in
And
the
then you might have saw this one on YouTube. This is pretty good and fast, but there's just some noise to it. There's this black spiky one. Shout out to Memphis channel because he's awesome.
Oh yeah, in Memphis, don't be comment down low that you bought that for me. I'll just tell everyone that Memphis Harmon, go follow him.
12-sided fidget cube. Okay, guys. Guava just calls these the
Nipples.
3 nipples. Yeah,
The triple nipple.
triple nipple.
He calls
And
them
then this is our kind of the
guava juice.
yeah guava.
Guava juice. Shout us out.
And
Please shout us out.
here's this
We're not, our names is Jaren and
Jaden. But
yeah.
guys, look at it. It's just a little button thing with 4 buttons. And then this thing's not really cool. Joystick, playing a video with. And this little thing, hold on, like, yeah. Oh. And then we got this thing that spins around, like this, and then the big nipple. And then we got these little things that go up and down. And then we got a little switch.
Guys, we love guava juice. She's the best YouTuber.
For us. But,
Yeah,
and we got this thing. This is my favorite. Just a little button right there.
It's for pins. Like, just keep you some stoplight through the pin. It's supposed to be like a pin thing.
Awesome, guys. So, this has the 12-sided fidget cube. It's retarded, but I like the 4-sided fidget cube the most. Or was it 4-sided?
Six.
4-sided?
6. It's a 6-sided. It's a cube. Cubes have 6 sides.
No. We
Yes.
have 4 sides.
No. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, here, hold on guys, stay right here. I'm gonna go get it.
sides of the cube. That's 6 sides of the cube. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say how many sides does the fidget cube have?
You can just look at it.
Please just say that. Because you won't believe me.
How many sides does a fidget cube have?
Six.
What?
Just look, Jaden. Look at my hands. See, 1, 2, top and bottom. 3, 4. Side.
Oh, yeah! I forgot about the other side. Anyways, guys. Get you guys the 9-sided fidget cube. So cool. You can just go in class like this. And
Guys, it's 12-sided fidget cube. 12-sided fidget cube.
that's what I just said.
You said 9.
I said 12.
You said 9.
12. Well, anyways, guys.
Guys, we're going to watch this video back and let Jaden see that he said 9. Okay.
I heard that. But anyway, guys, I hope you like and subscribe.
Bye.